Christy here with Best Craft Organizer. You're probably wondering why I'm standing beside this Kallax cube from Ikea. Well, it's because Best Craft Organizer has come up with a new storage solution for your existing Kallax cube. And I want to show you how easy and simple it is to install this, no tools necessary. I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble the panels that will allow you to put the drawers into the Kallax system. So there are 3 panels, the left, right, and the back center. Now it's easier to put your rails in for the drawers first. Just snap them apart. And the left rail goes into the left, and the right goes into the right. So now that I have my rails inserted into my panels, I've decided for this Kallax cube to use 2 3-inch drawers and 2 2-inch drawers. So I've spaced my rails 3 holes up for a 3-inch and 2 holes up for a 2-inch. Now it's very easy to assemble the panels. There's no tools necessary at all. On the back of your panel is a strip of adhesive. You can go ahead and remove that. Now in this slot is where I'm going to put my back piece. So I've got my top up, and I go ahead and just insert the back center into the slot. Take my right side, and I'm going to remove that adhesive strip as well. And then put that into the slot also. Seriously, how easy is this? Now that I have it together, all I have to do is just pick it up and go ahead and insert it into my Kallax cube. Once I have it in just a little bit, I don't have to worry about it falling apart. Just go ahead and just push it right in. Now I'm going to make sure that my one side panel is flush with the bottom, and then just push that adhesive strip on, and again with the other side, flush with the bottom, and push it right on and together. Done. Simple. Now I am ready to insert my drawers. So I can take my 3-inch drawer, go ahead and put it on the bottom, my other 3-inch drawer, and then my 2 2-inch drawers go on top of that. And now I am ready to be organized. So simple and easy.